Alright, got a 5R55W here. Trying to get this rear strut out for the rear band. This pin holds it in. I've only had to do this once before and I don't remember having all this trouble. Book says to grind a couple flats on this pin and grab it with a pair of vice grips and wiggle it back and forth and it'll pull out. I've been working on this thing for over an hour now and I got a pretty good grip on it. I didn't grind any flats, but I got a pretty good grip on it, and I have got it to move about 3/4 of an inch. But I've been wiggling and prying and finally sprayed some air coil down in there, seeing if it would get it free. I think that strut grinds a little flat, grinds a little groove on the pin. That's what's keeping it from coming out, because I could see something down in there. And I tried prying on it, turning on it while I pry on it, pushing in and out and prying on it. I found the best I've been doing so far is smack it down, pry it up with a pry bar. I've got it to move the most from that. So I'm going to keep working on it. We'll see what it looks like when I get it out of there. We'll see how long it takes. Alright, an update. I am well into 2.5 hours trying to get this dumbass thing out of here. And you can see it moves up and down really free until it gets to that point. And be careful doing this, because I got it moving up nice and free like that, and I thought I'd be a wise ass and get it moving up and down real quick and maybe it'd jerk out of there. Well, the pliers slipped off, and this is what I got for the effort of that. So watch yourself when you're doing it. I'm thoroughly pissed. Let's see how much longer. Alright, about a minute after I did that last part, it came out. And you can see there's a little ridge right there. Just that little bitty bit of a ridge. That's what all this fuss was over. I'm going to go buff that down and see if we can get this back in there. Alright, got a drill press over there. I just chucked it up in that. Got me some 180 grit sandpaper. Got it down pretty smooth. This is what we was after. There's the old one, all broke. There's my new one. And just fits. Fits right up in there. Pin goes right back in here. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. So it's fitting a little tight. We'll see if we can get it freer. But damn near cost me an eye. I did forget to mention that I got this little propane torch, and we was heating up right here and here. Down in here where the pin goes through, I even heated it up back down in here, and it helped a little bit. You could definitely tell it was a little bit freer, but it still didn't want to come. So all in all, I got about 2.5 hours in trying to get this stupid pin out, all because of that little bitty ridge. So I don't know if this will ever help anybody, but good luck when you got one to do.